Hello guys, another video here today. Just finishing up with the interior. I didn't put the whole interior back in because I was waiting on something, but I got it here today. This is just a cigarette lighter or a charging port, since the older ones on the AE86s go rusty and they don't work no more. So still a mess here, right? I got my shit in, I got my radio in. And let me show you my old one. So, well, the old one comes with the harness, right? This is the ground. This is the power. I don't know what this light is for. I think it wasn't even meant to be on the thing, because you plug it in, you can't even see the light. But similar, the new ones are very similar. I don't know if I need this green thing to keep it tight, but let me show you the new one I got. I'll put this in the description if I remember. But this is it right here. Let's compare it. The only difference is I don't have I don't even think I'm going to use the old one. Just maybe, I don't know. This kind of, see if it comes off. It might work, but yeah, it doesn't, you get no power from here anyway. I even tried to put in a regular charger. It would not work. So, what I'm thinking is take these connections off and put some different ones. But yeah, it shouldn't be I just want to test it out, see if it works. By the way, this connects to the harness over there. Shit, man. Yeah, hopefully you guys have this, because it goes like this. Connects to that one right here. And I have it right there. And yeah. Alright guys, we're back on the table. This is the harness that we got, that we're gonna splice some used butt connectors to our new cigarette lighter or charging port. This is the old one we're not gonna use, but we're gonna have it for reference, because what I'm noticing on this is the bezel for the AC and the charging port right there. It's gonna be right there. Well, I'll just bring it over here. I'm just gonna show you something. So, see that outline? I'm gonna try to fix it or make it work. But the only thing to make it work is you take off this green thing. I'm gonna have to try to take out this green thing from this old port, because hopefully it'll fit here. I'm gonna see if it will, because it has this groove right here too. If I can focus on it, right here, that it'll make it stay in place. I don't know why. I guess it just goes straight. No, it's a nice fit, but it moves. So if we put this green thing on this the new port, it'll stay on. But anyways, I'm gonna get to the splicing of the cables, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, let's go over the wires with you. There's an inline fuse right here. We're gonna keep that. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if there's a fuse that goes with the cigarette lighter on the stock. Like I think there is. But to just be safe, right? So we don't have to cause damage to our harness or I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I guess they're not damaged to other stuff. We're gonna keep this on, obviously. So we're gonna cut. It's gonna measure it out, right? It's gonna cut up to here. And then we're going to put 2 butt connectors to the stock harness, and then we'll see if it works. Reason why I'm cutting it, you already know why. If you haven't figured out yet, these wires are way too long, and we won't need all of this excess. Then I'm gonna splice it so we could there you go. Then I hope this shit works. Got the ground right here, and then the power cable. Well, I'm gonna take this out. Take that out. Now, I'm gonna splice this cable too. This one was kind of hard. It's a little smaller. Don't cut too much. There you go. Alright guys, I'll be using the 10 to 12 gauge for the butt connector size. It's the yellow one. This one's kind of smaller. This one's a 14, I think, for the ground, but it'll be fine. So, alright guys, let's do this. I'm gonna do it. And please don't criticize me if I'm doing stuff wrong. I'm not a fucking expert. I'm gonna crimp it. There it is. I'm gonna get a lighter and just light it up and they'll shrink. Oh, what the fuck? You burned too much. But still good. Alright, let's do the other one. I'm sick of this lighter. Alright, well, I'm going to heat this up a little bit and then I'll go on to the next part of the video. Alright guys, we're done with the harness. Now, our job is to try to take this this green thing out. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Looks like you just pop it off. There you go. So there's these things inside where they hook on. You're gonna press on those and it will release. Now it slides off, I think. Alright, it's off. We're gonna get that off. Now we're gonna grab our new charging port and slide it in. Hopefully it'll go. I mean, and when it goes up to there, it's kind of secure. Not really, guys, but if I could just go yank it like this, it won't come off. Alright guys, now what you want to do is grab your bezel. Alright, let's have it like this. Grab your bezel. Make sure you have this, because this is really important. Because this is what hooks on that. Cause not just that, right? Put that in there. Now, you're going to slide this in. If it fits, right? Alright, check it out on the other side. Alright guys, it's in there. It's kind of tight. I don't know how tight can it be if someone like pulls it out by accident. The thing is, compared this one to that one, this one had some threads so you could lock it in place. I don't know if this will help if I see, like, it doesn't do anything. Well, this is all I can do, guys. I don't know if there's any other way to put it in and it works. Alright guys, this is pretty stupid, but I got an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. If you want to do the same thing as I'm doing, you can. I took off the black cover on these. I didn't know you could take them off, but you can. What I'm gonna do is, obviously you're gonna put this back to where it was, and then I'm gonna put this in right here. Secured, right? And then, since it's really exposed out, I think I'm since I don't have one of these to screw it on, I don't even know. I'm gonna see if I could just rip this thing off and use this as a, you know, as a kind of like a to hold it in place, kind of, so it doesn't come back out. Because there's these little prongs on right here. Well, I'm gonna see if it's gonna work. I'll let you guys know in a bit. Alright guys, there it is inside the bezel. I put it on. I don't think it makes a difference, but it doesn't pop out unless I pull the whole thing, the little charger that's inside there right now. If I pull it out, it will like kind of pop out. But I mean, it won't jump forward, but it'll just pop back in. But I'm gonna go test it out, see if the power works on this. Alright guys, I have it plugged in. I think it works. This part's light up. It's lit up, so I'm gonna put my phone to charge. See? Charging. Now you guys have a new upgraded charging port. Get rid of that old smoky cigarette lighter. I think most of them, if you're like me, having an old, almost 40-year-old car that's all rotted it out, rusted, and lost connection, so it's not good no more. But yeah, I'll put the link in the description of where I bought it. I got it from Amazon. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.